Hey there! In this video, I'm sharing a pantry staple that has been a game changer in our household, and it is this Naked PB powdered peanut butter, and that is really hard to say in its entirety. So this is the organic powdered peanut butter from the US Farms by Naked, and as you can tell, this isn't your typical creamy peanut butter, which this is a powdered version, which basically means that the peanuts have been roasted and ground into a powder instead of staying in their traditional spread form. So one thing I noticed from the nutrition label is that this product lists only one ingredient, which is roasted peanuts. So there's no added sugar, salt, or extra additives, just simply peanuts, which I love that nothing else has been put in here. It is one simple ingredient. So what's cool about powdered peanut butter is how versatile it can be. You can mix this into protein shakes, drinks, or even baking recipes. And if you wanted to, you could rehydrate it to make your own peanut butter spread if you wanted to. Another thing worth mentioning is straight from this product label is that this is made in the USA and it's labeled as vegan, gluten-free, and preservative-free. And it does have those little stamps on here. Also to note, it comes out to 7 grams of protein and 15 calories per serving when you prepare it, however you decide to prepare it. And that's just from peanuts themselves. So I think 7 grams of protein, that is fantastic in a drink or whatever you're making. So if you've been thinking about trying peanut butter in a powdered form, whether smoothies, baking, or just to experiment in the kitchen with, this is one that's worth taking a look at because it is one simple ingredient on how it's presented and it is so versatile to use.